Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Today, we are going to learn about famous people. Do you know why people become famous? Famous means who are known to everyone around the world. They do such work which makes them famous. That is, they become very popular. Everyone in our country and also in the world knows about them because they have done some kind of good work. Can you recognize this person in the picture? Yes, he is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi ji was a great freedom fighter. He taught people about non-violence. Do you know what is non-violence? Non-violence means not to hurt anyone without hurting or doing any harm. He fought for our independence. Recently, we celebrated our Independence Day, right? And you must have learned about Gandhi ji in that. Gandhi ji was called Bapu with love. So, can you spell the word Mahatma Gandhi with me? Let's spell it together. Mahatma Mahatma Gandhi Gandhi Mahatma Gandhi. He is also called as father of our nation. Can you recognize this person in the picture? He is the famous Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was also a brave freedom fighter. He wanted the Britishers to go away, and his slogan was Inqilab Zindabad. Children, he was a very brave person, you know. Can you recognize this lady? She is Mother Teresa. Mother, Mother, Teresa. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was very kind and loving. She sacrificed her life and spent all her life dedicated to the patients. There was a disease, leprosy, and the people who were affected by the disease, she served them, she took care of them, gave them all her love. The next lady is Sarojini Naidu. Let's spell the word Sarojini Naidu with me. Sarojini Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Children, she was a great poet. She used to write beautiful poems, and also she had contributed to our independence. You know, I told you that Britishers had come to our country and they wanted to live here. But she, through her poems, gave the message to people about our independence and the importance of independence. She is known as the Nightingale of India. Can you recognize this person? He is Rabindranath Tagore. Spell this word Rabindranath Tagore with me. Rabindranath. Rabindranath. Tagore. Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was also a great poet. And he received a Nobel Prize for his work. Nobel Prize is a very big prize, children, and it is only given to people who do something great and remarkable. Can you recognize this person? I'm sure you do. Recently, we read a story in our library session about this person. He is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Spell the word with me. Sarvepalli. Sarvapalli. Radhkrishnan. Krishnan. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Children, recently we celebrated his birthday as Teacher's Day. That was 5th of September. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great teacher, and hence his birthday is celebrated as Teacher's Day. Children, I'm sure you have learned a lot of new things. Try to solve the worksheet given to you and learn and revise about the famous personalities that you have learned about today.